Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Recipes from the Wheelchair. Today we are going to make a classical, simple, easy, very popular dessert in Pakistan. Suji ka halwa. Semolina pudding you can say it is. But it's not a pudding, similar to a pudding. It's very simple and easy recipe and it's delicious. It can be made at any time of the day and it's not necessary that you should have it as a dessert. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, tea, dinner, whatever, anytime you want. And this sweet craving calls for, make suji ka halwa. In Pakistan, suji ka halwa is very popular, like I said, and it's usually served for breakfast over the weekend with puris, chana, and aloo. But that breakfast has suji ka halwa. It has a synthetic orange color added to it, and it's usually made in water because it's made in a large quantity to be served to all the customers. My halwa is not made in water. I use milk. And this suji ka halwa, it's a very budget friendly dessert. Very simple ingredients, just 4 ingredients: water, ghee, suji, and sugar. Like I said, my halwa is made in milk. But if you like, you can use water or milk, anyone you like. I prefer the milk. And suji ka halwa, like I said, is very easy to make. And whenever you have unexpected guests coming in, that's it. Make suji ka halwa and serve them. If you like, garnish it with nuts and coconut and raisins as well. And according to the old witch's tale, not witch's tale, but all the home remedies, granny's remedies, if you're lucky enough to have a toothache, eat suji ka halwa. It's not going to relieve the pain, but the warm suji ka halwa is going to soothe the gums and make it easy for you to digest, because of course with the toothache it's very difficult to eat. So suji ka halwa for the toothache is very fulfilling, and it's a granny's tale, so it works sometimes. And suji ka halwa, you can serve it hot, you can serve it cold, serve it warm. It's up to you. So it's very easy to make and very popular, very tasty. So let's go make suji ka halwa.